It is a snowstorm, winter wonderland snow globe outside today, and a few days ago I started looking up stovetop baking, stovetop bread making, baking kind of videos. And the reason why is because living in this house with a full kitchen, I'm getting really comfortable having an oven. And in a few months, I'll be moving back to the van and back over into the area where the vans and RVs live in the park. And that means I won't have an oven anymore. So I've been trying to brainstorm ideas on how I can continue making these things that I've been making. One thing that has become a staple is these yogurt bagels. I think they're originally a Weight Watchers recipe or something, but I'm not a big fan of diet culture, so this has nothing to do with that. I do like the idea that this is made with equal parts flour and Greek yogurt, so they do have a lot of protein in them. I've been making them in batches of 6, 3 everything bagels and 3 cinnamon raisin bagels. So I feel like I'm gonna really miss that when I don't have the oven to make those, so I'm gonna have to do a little experimenting with that. One thing I am experimenting with making today is this stovetop bread. This is done in a skillet, and my skillet is relatively small because I live in a van. So I think I'm gonna do it in 2 batches, make 2 smaller loaves. So I'm going to try to make that bread today. One of the ideas I've been playing with is getting a Dutch oven to cook over an open fire. We have a fire pit over in the area where we live in the van. I'm a little bit on the fence about it just because it's heavy and it takes up space in the van. But I do think it might be helpful to have because I can also use it on a stovetop as well as on the fire. So just a couple different ideas I'm playing with. Well, let me know if this is something you want to see more of, recipes, cooking. I know it's not van specific, but maybe it could be. When I move back into the van, maybe I can kind of transform these recipes into things that could be made easily in a van, or a limited kitchen, if that's what you're dealing with. Anyway, so that's about it from here, and I'm just gonna enjoy being inside and cooking and baking while it is dumping snow outside. Goodbye.
Can you stop eating snow, please? Hey.